Welcome to Cambridge Core. In this quick video, we'll walk through how to register and log in so you can start accessing journals, books, and other academic resources right away. Start on the Cambridge Core homepage. For first-time users, go to the right-hand corner and click Register. Registration is free and takes less than a minute. Enter your title, name, and your institutional email. Also enter your location in the world. If you are affiliated with an organization, be sure to click Yes in order to access your institution's content. If you are an instructor, also click Yes, I am an instructor in order to be linked to Cambridge's Aspire platform for teaching materials like slide decks and course content. If you are an author with an ORCID ID, we suggest attaching that to your profile as well, although it is not required. Create a password, confirm that password, make your confirmations, and then click Register. Once you submit the form, you'll receive a confirmation email. If it doesn't arrive, check your junk folder or contact our support team. If you already have an account, go to the right-hand corner and click Log In. You'll be given the choice to log in with your Cambridge Core account, with your institution, or with a society. Go to your login area, enter your institutional email address, along with your password, and then click Login. After logging in, look for the green banner at the top of the screen that reads Logged In Successfully. Now you're ready to explore.